Hey guys, welcome back to Vito's Garage. My name is Vito. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and in this video you will see the attempt of starting this old school BMW E34 after the engine rebuild. Let's go and see how we did it. Alright guys, so before showing you this final video of the BMW start attempt, I just wanted to bring you back along and show you everything that's been happening to this car before this episode. Just so you have a refreshment, and also if you haven't watched any of the previous series, be sure to check them out in the description. I'm gonna actually put all of those 7 or 8 episodes that I filmed, so you guys have a refreshment, or if you haven't watched them, you can watch them. Also, just want to apologize because I'm not going to be present at the during the last episode, just because I had to leave to Washington due to military reasons. So Antonio and Warren, they were actually the ones who installed the engine and transmission back on the car, and they are the ones who actually attempted to start this old school BMW. So one more thing, also please don't judge because they were using a different camera, and there might be some shakiness during that, so I apologize for that, but I still hope that you will enjoy this video series. And thank you so much for everything and all your support, and let's go and see how everything was.
Here's a better look, how it looks on the inside. You can still move the crank, yeah, you can still move it. Then a bunch of other stuff, as you see right here, thermostats, gaskets, timing chain, rails,
engine mounts,
it's crazy,
water
yeah.
pump,
So the car is gonna be really refreshed. And that over there is actually a new clutch kit.
everything assembled. Almost time to start this old girl. Coolant lines, the heating lines, fuel lines, all the plugs, everything. It's almost the last. Yep, almost alive. I gotta put this fan clutch back on, add fluids, double, triple check everything before the first start. And it should be golden. Let's put the battery on.
And the moment approaches, adding fluids. Tony, Antonio, as he's known around the dinner table on Sunday evenings. Anthony! On Wednesday, it's Prince Spaghetti Day. Supposedly the spark plugs are sparking, and the cadavers are cadavering, and the pistons are, well, they should be working. We got all the nipples figured out and put in their right spots. So it boils down to adding fluids now, and then we'll install the battery and see just what we have. Whatever it is, it's clean. Check engine oil in.
Engine oil in. Check the level.
Yeah, there's enough. And transmission oil is good.
Yes.
Power steering fluid is it?
Yeah, no. It is not.
We did this.
Yep, and we added oil and the filters already in.
Just give it like, count it, 1001, 1002, 20.
Just holding it?
Yep.
Okay.
What you just did the starter or something?
The clutch just went all the way to the floor.
Yeah, there has to be both.
It's not in gear, right?
The solenoid is working.
A few moments later.
Neutral?
Yep. Yep, it's in neutral.
Nothing? Count to 20 by 1,000. 5, 6, 7.
Oh, the battery's gonna die. No way. You see how weak the battery was getting?
Why?
No way. It's about to die.
I just bought this battery.
Do we have a jumper cable? I mean, I have cables that I could put.
What's that noise that you put the clutch in?
Yeah, no, it keeps going in. I was trying to pull it from the floor up.
It's just because it's been black. Okay, don't give it a lot of gas, just let it run. Fucking time is up right here, look. Let's let it run for 20 minutes.
Should we lower it though? Is all the oil sideways?
It's designed to pick it up. The oil pump is designed to pick it up. Oh, it's not focusing.
You just gotta tap where you want it to focus on.
Just gotta tap where you want it to focus on. Give it a tap.
A tap?
Oh yeah, okay.
Well, it sounds so like healthy.
Once again.
All the extra little oil's burning off and whatnot.
Yeah, well you're going to smell the gasket. Antonio.
It's
Leo.
alive.
Warren.
And Warren. Oh, I am speechless. Good luck. Good luck. Shout out to the new E34 for bringing us good luck.
Now let's check for leaks.
What time is it, Leo?
Check it in. operating system is like.
Trying to see for any leaks. I don't see nothing yet.
Alright guys, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.